Hi, and welcome to Home Decor 101. If this is your first time here, I am so happy. Welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Hey guys, and welcome back. So I'm probably the last person in the world to find out what Reddit was and actually go cruising on there, but I found this page that is so funny. It says, what home decor trend are you totally over? So someone asked a question and then just random people type to say what trend that they are over and sick of seeing. And when I tell you, this brought me so many hours of joy. If you haven't been on Reddit, check it out. It's free, but this was hilarious. So I'm going to get into some of the funny comments that were funny to me. Now, it doesn't mean that they're right, there's no right or wrong in home decor, but these were pretty hilarious to me. Also, let me know if you agree with any of these. Okay, so let's start with the clean, clinical look, especially in kitchens. It's so cold, especially with just stainless steel everything. Now, I could see some people with different home decor styles that would disagree, but I don't know. What do you think? Are you a stainless steel in the kitchen type person? It does remind me like of a hospital, but I think in this room, particularly with the wood, it warms it up a bit. Okay, so here's another one I thought was funny. Any wordy art, you know the thing, in this house we or gather, etc. She says, my sister-in-law went to visit someone and I asked, what was her house like? And she said, ugh, her decor was so much reading, and I died laughing. That is funny because these signs are so popular now. Actually, I have that stay a while sign. I don't have it like hung up anymore, but I do have that sign. Do you all have any of the word art in your home, and what do you think about it? Okay, so this person said, I am a maximalist, so I want color everywhere. Cute stuff everywhere. Why do people hate color so much? White, gray, beige, I'm so over it. Watching HGTV makes my head explode. Oh, I love the colors. What colors? A bowl of fruit in a white and black kitchen is not color. Okay, so they definitely went on a little rant there, but I am sure there are so many color lovers and maximalist lovers and even eclectic lovers that totally agree with this statement. I think right now the main trend is very pared down, minimalist, neutral color scape, but so many people are not feeling that. This person just said simply, hate gray. Let that horrible, depressing color go away like an overcast day. Bring on the sunshine and spring days. Color. Okay, so let me know what you think about this down in the comments. Now, I am a gray lover. I think it's beautiful. I love that look in a room, but I will agree it is really overdone now. It's overdone to the point that I don't want anything gray just because I feel like I'm hopping on a trend even though I'm not. So yeah, let me know what you think about this. How many of you have gray rooms? So next we have Joanna Gaines Everything. And then a person commented and said, or Ray done everything. Stuff, things, labels on everything. So dang stupid. Now, I have to admit, I love Joanna Gaines' style when it first came out, but once again, it got so overdone so quickly. I really didn't want to see another modern farmhouse anything. Same thing with Ray Dunn. I thought it was really cute, but then it became like this crazy craze that people were trying to get every single item she had, and you're going to the store and people are pushing you around to get the mugs and the cups, and I was just like, this is not for me. Okay, here's the next one. This may be an unpopular opinion, but all of this kitchen is for dancing, super Gen Z art, decor, like melting disco balls and champagne bottle art, get naked bath mats, and corny pillows, lol, is just so immature in my opinion. Someone said, I am Gen Z, so not dissing the generation. I'm just super over that trend. So do you all have any of this stuff in your kitchen or in your home? I hate to say it, but I think the disco balls are really cute, as well as the get naked bath mats, but I didn't know it triggered so many people. Doesn't really fit my decor style, but I do think it's super cute. Okay, so next we have surrealist accessories slash furniture, like wavy mirrors and funky chairs. They look juvenile and are often not really comfy or practical. Someone said, so true, plus it looks junky. Someone else said, looking at you, IKEA. And someone says, Urban Outfitters chic. Okay, so you guys know I don't like to talk bad about any decor style. Like, someone loves it, right? That's why it's there. This is not a bad style to me. It's not for me, but it's not a bad style to me. But I can see someone not really feeling this 100%. Okay, next we have I hate shiplap so much. Shiplap plus barn door equals absolutely not. Someone commenting, house hunting here in the South is a pain. Trying to dodge shiplap and our barn doors is so hard. I've resigned myself to the fact that I'm going to have to crowbar several walls eventually. Someone else chimed in and said, I hate barn doors, especially for bathrooms. Now, this was all of the craze a couple of years ago. I feel like around the Joanna Gaines time, that's when I really learned about shiplap. But the shiplap plus the barn doors is definitely a vibe, but is it a vibe you want in your house? That's the question. Comment down below. Okay guys, so this one is kind of long, so just pause it and read it. But basically this person is saying they're from Australia, and when they come to the US to visit family, this is like the only country they see the big eat, pray, love signs and the big eat in the kitchen or bless this mess random signs, which is so funny. This reminds me of a Hobby Lobby. Do you guys have a Hobby Lobby where you are? You go to the store and they have all these humongous signs with sayings just like this. They also said it is one of the only countries where the TVs are mounted very high. Let me know what you think about that. I don't agree with all of these, but this is one that I absolutely agree with. Pause it and read it, but they're just saying they are so sick of all these rules. They said they grew up in the 70s and 80s where trends were there, but if you didn't follow it, it wasn't like, ew, what are you doing? I don't like your house. And basically the only trend or style you should be going for are the ones that make you happy. I told you guys about my friend who had Farmhouse everything, and I asked her like, oh, I didn't know you were into that style. She was like, oh, I'm not, I hate it, but it's very trendy right now. Don't do that. Just decorate with something you love. This person said white on white on white, and someone commented great everything with white cabinets and farmhouse tchotchkes. Now, I actually like the color white. Now, I could never, have it in my home due to people and animals, but I do think it's beautiful. But I can definitely see how if you are a vibrant, colorful person, how this could just drive you insane. It can be a little sterile. Okay, here's one I actually kind of agree with. This person said the Kim and Kanye vibe, and someone said, I call it the tunnel to the afterlife look. I'll show you a picture of the hallway that looks like a tunnel. Someone else said, yeah, what is up with that? I can dig a minimalist vibe, but wow, they take it to a weird extreme. Someone else said, I mean, especially with 4 little kids. Their home was definitely monotone, and it was very minimalistic. You either love it or you hate it. I can appreciate its beauty, but it is nowhere that I would want to live. Hey guys, sorry for the length. I'm going to read this whole thing to you because when I tell you I laughed for about 30 minutes, this person said, I never understood the randomly placed wooden sphere garland trend. Have a candle on a tray on the table, wrap a random wood garland around it. Empty decorative shallow dish on the table, wood garland. You know what? That stack of books you will never read needs wood garland. Okay, sorry guys, I've had to re-record this a couple of times. Here's the part that really got me. The person said, I think they look like Ray Dunn anal beads without pull written in ugly font, 1 letter on each ball. And someone said Ray Dunn anal beads, and the next person said, I cannot unsee this. Let me know, do you all have the wood garland? I do, but now I cannot look at it any other way. Here's another one I agree with. That's not wrong, it just wouldn't work for me. This person said super minimal kitchens where there is no closed pantry or closets, just open wooden shelves. Not all my stuff is aesthetic and matches. Also, my bakeware is through the roof since I bake a lot. There's way too many gadgets for me to artfully put a piece on each shelf. Now, I agree with this. If you accumulate a lot of stuff, I have a ton of kitchen stuff because I love to cook. I couldn't have open shelving. It would be a chaotic mess in there. I love it for those of you all that are minimal and can easily pull it off. I'm just saying it could never work for me. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.